Man, I really thought vlogging would be easy, but it's like so difficult. How do these people do it? Like, I'm trying to make rice, but I can't make rice and film it at the same time. You know? See, here's my campsite. Got a little fire going. About to make some dinner here. My tent is all set up. I'm making some rice on a fire. And I'm not sure how it'll turn out, but I'll take you with me on this journey here. The water hasn't even started boiling yet. I'm a little concerned. Is the water hot? The water's like warm. This might be an epic fail. We'll find out shortly after these commercial breaks. See, the water is still not boiling, but you know, these things take time. It's gonna be a little crunchy, I feel, though, and maybe a little wet, but no trial and error. Okay, so now I'm hoping it'll just, simmer. It never actually boiled, so we'll just hope for the best. Let's see, how does it look? Okay, not bad, not bad. It's starting to look like rice, kind of. If I have added some spam in there, maybe you can see that. It's done. It looks pretty good too. Wow. At this point, I was really considering going back, quitting my adventure that had barely even begun. My road to Death Valley was far from easy. I was not using a GPS, and I got lost. Multiple times. I did not think that the roads were going to be so rough. I had never ridden my motorcycle meant for the street, off-road, or on any kind of gravel. When I arrived at my original campsite, it was closed, and I had to find another one. Was this going to be my journey all through America? Being in the middle of nowhere, making rice on a fire alone, in the scorching heat of Death Valley, really made me reconsider my life choices. That night, I really considered giving up. When I woke up in the morning, I knew I couldn't quit though. I had said I would do it. I had prepared for months to do it. I would only be betraying myself if I gave up now. But I knew I had to make some changes. I threw away many of my things that were unnecessary to save weight and packing time. I was faced with the fact that I did not route my course past Arizona. I decided that I would spend time in Vegas to finish pathing my route through all 48 states. I only filmed part of my way out of Death Valley. I had used up my camera batteries and had no way to charge them. I was stressed out and panicked, so I just drove. Man, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm at the Grand Canyon right now. It just looks crazy. Just look at this. Hey guys, from my tent. I'm currently not eating any rice because I did not work out very well. But I do got these Cliff Bars. Not